Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will talk about how to estimate the cost of 3D printed parts. So in this video you will get to know that what are the different costs associated with the final parts and how you can estimate your cost. So the first is material cost. Whenever we talk about the cost, one first thing comes in our mind about the cost of raw material. So the cost of raw material cost will consist of the part and support material. So if you buy PLA material spool of 1 kg, if the cost is 2000 rupees, then what will happen that if your part is needed 100 gram of PLA material, then the cost will be 200 rupees. So how much material will be consist in your part? It will be, you can determine it by Cura software also. As you all know that whenever we slice anything in Cura gives the estimation of the material required to complete the product. So I will go to the Cura and let me show you that how you can estimate the material. So this is Cura, and if you want to make this product, you can click this and you can slice this. Once you will slice this, here you can see the estimate courses like 2 hours and 8 minutes are needed to complete this product printing time, and 22 gram of materials are required. So here cost estimation is also given like 2.16 euro. So it is showing that how much material is required, how much it cost. So how you can set the cost in your Cura software? You can go to preferences and go to compare Cura here, but go to the materials. In this material there is a filament cost. So here is the 100. Suppose my filament cost is around 200, and how for 1 kg filament weight for 1000. So for 1000 gram it means 1 kg. So if I will close this, if I will slice this, then you can see the cost is 4.32 euro. The material cost you can get from Cura as well, or you can divide also that if 1 kg material cost is this, so 22 gram material you can calculate it also. So after the material cost, the next cost you have to think about is printing time. We know that 3D printing works by using electricity. So if it is taking 2 hours, 3 hours, so we need to calculate how much unit of electricity it will require. So you also have to add the electricity time, and suppose it is required 3 units, and the price of 1 unit is in 10 rupees, then for 3 unit it will be 30 rupees. You have to add 30 rupees in material cost. So the third is labor cost. As you know that if you are using 3D printer, or we are using any software to slicing for 3D modeling, for operating 3D printer, there is a cost associated with labor who will operate this, who will do all the, who will complete all these tasks. So if someone is getting a salary of 1 day, so if it is working for this particular product for 2 hours, so you can divide your daily salary into 2 hours, that how much salary is getting per hour. So you can multiply it by 2, then you have to include this cost also. And then the fourth is depreciation of the 3D printer. We all know that everyone has to go on sometime, so a 3D printer has also a life. It is not have, this 3D printer also not have infinite life. If some 3D printer has 5000 hours, some 2000, 3000, whatever it be, but we have to consider the depreciation cost of the 3D printer also. If 3D printer is working for 2 hours for that particular product, so we have to find out, we have to calculate that for 2 hours what is the depreciation cost, and you have to add your depreciation cost also. Then the final is post processing. So once your product will be completed, you have to remove the your support material, you have to do polishing, you have to do painting, heat treatment, extra machining, whatever it be. You have to include the post processing cost also. In many cases you will wonder that the post process can double or triple the parts initial cost. So these are the all costs you have to include, like material cost, printing time, labor cost, depreciation cost, and post processing. This is the actual amount you will get, but you have to add your profit also. So if you want to add 20%, 30%, 40% profit, whatever it be, you have to add your profit, and then you have to tell someone, whoever need this product, that this is the cost you will get if you want to buy this. So once someone is confirmed that okay you will print me, then you have to print the product. So this is a luxury in 3D printing, that you have the time and you have the process. From that you can find out the exact amount for the particular product. So I hope you got the fair idea about how to estimate the cost of any product. If you want to learn 3D printing from start to finish, like from design to post process, in the description box there is a link you can click and you can find the full course of 3D printing. From what are you will get video lectures, you will get quizzes, assignments and notes too.